Hey all you home menders, I'm Dustin, and today we're going to be doing another part on our how-to business. That's why I've put together my top 5 tools for mobile home repair. Wait, that's not right. Fast home repair. These are my personal favorites. I'm sure it's going to help you out and increase your production through the day. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. Operating a home repair business is awesome. If you're good, you can make a lot of money, and if you're fast, the money is even better. Obviously, mobility is the key to doing jobs quickly. Rolling out hoses and cords and things to make a quick repair eats up a lot of time during the day, and well, you also have to make sure that the house has exterior power. Number 1 is definitely a cordless power tool set. It's got the drill, it's got the sawzall, skill saw. You want to make sure that it is some sort of a brand name, that it's not a homeowner special. A lot of the lower end, lower costing drill sets have like plastic gears in them. I'm partial to Makita. I love Makita. I've always loved Makita, and they just look really cool and they come with a light on them. So they're my personal favorite. Definitely like an 18 volt minimum. I mean, we've built whole decks with cordless tools, so you want to make sure they're packing some power. Number 2, most important tool is the cordless trim nailer. Passload has got this awesome, comes with a gas cartridge and a battery. It's got huge power. It's good for like hanging exterior fascia, doing trim jobs, or even hanging entry doors. Now, these are about $400, but they're worth every penny. Every time that you don't have to roll out a hose or a cord, you're going to be thanking Passload that you've got it. That also allows you to do 2-man jobs by yourself. Getting up on a ladder and hanging a 12-foot 1x6, 25 feet in the air can be easily done with the Passload. Number 3, a 24-foot extension ladder. This ladder will let you get on most 2-story houses to make repairs. There's nothing worse than having to reschedule some repair because you couldn't reach it. Exterior dryer vent cleaning or a shingle blew off. That's an easy way to make money. Get up there quick, knock it out, and be done with it. You gotta have your 24-footer. Number 4, one of my favorite tools is a good screw box. It's got everything in there I need. There's deck screws, drywall screws, bifold door hardware, little plumbing washers, toggle bolts, or any other useful little items that'll keep you from making a time-costly store trip when all you needed was a screw or a washer. Finally, this one is my personal favorite. That's why I saved it for last. Number 5, a cordless multi-tool. Now, most of these bigger brand name cordless tool companies do make a multi-tool. I love my multi-tool. This little baby is a necessity for quick work. Taking off a 10-foot baseboard just because you need to trim a couple inches off is a huge waste of time. With the multi-tool, you mark a line, you zip it right off, and you're done. They're also incredibly useful for nipping the bottom of door jambs if needed, or like stubborn toilet bolts. So that's it. 5 of my favorite tools that I hope will help you increase production, which obviously translate to more income. What about you? Any tools that, Dustin, this is in my top 5, I want to hear about it so I can run out and get me one. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.